In this video, you'll learn how to reinstate a permanently suspended eBay account. By following these steps, you will understand the process of reviewing the suspension notice, preparing an appeal statement, and submitting it effectively. Start by reviewing the suspension notice you received via email. Carefully read the message to identify the exact violation that led to your account's suspension. Pay attention to whether the suspension is due to policy breaches, performance issues, or verification problems. It is important to check if the notice mentions the possibility of an appeal, as some permanent suspensions allow for a review process. Compare your recent account activity with the stated violation reason to gain insight into what triggered the suspension. Gather any supporting documents that demonstrate your compliance with eBay's policies. A clear understanding of the issues will help prevent future mistakes. Next, prepare your appeal statement. Write a concise explanation that acknowledges the issue and outlines the corrective actions you have taken. Maintain a professional tone and avoid using emotional language. Focus solely on the facts and solutions. If applicable, include evidence such as invoices, tracking information, or supplier authorization letters to support your case. Your appeal should clearly show that the problem has been addressed and will not occur again. A strong and respectful appeal demonstrates your responsibility as a seller. After preparing your appeal, submit it through the official support channels specified in the suspension notice. It is essential to monitor your email for any replies or additional requests from the review team. Be prepared to respond promptly to any questions they may have to avoid unnecessary delays. Keep in mind that investigations into appeals may take time, so practice patience during this period. If your appeal is denied, take the time to review the response carefully and address any remaining issues before attempting to appeal again, if permitted. Your persistence in adhering to eBay's compliance guidelines can significantly improve your chances of reinstatement. Throughout this process, it is crucial to ensure that you are adhering to eBay's policies to prevent future suspensions. Regularly review your account activity and maintain open communication with eBay's support team if any issues arise. Keeping accurate records and being proactive in resolving potential problems can help you avoid complications, and that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.